It looks like the same day, but this is a new tool belt and $250 tool later. Ugh, babe.
I heard you. What do you think I'm doing?
Not holding this end.
I'm
There you
not
go.
saying anything about that.
Shh. But looking nice.
I just realized I was spinning it over.
Just filled out with caulking.
Yeah, we just fill out with caulking.
Oh no, that's not gonna work. Tool, what kind of tool do you think I am? Oh, that cut was hard, but at least it looked like crap.
Oh, good.
Look, there's a stud here, one here. That's probably because this one, I don't know. I don't know anything anymore.
Hi guys.
Hey, what's up?
Today we are going to start our bedroom makeover.
That's right.
The first thing we're going to do,
Crown molding.
And
Molding on the wall. Ready?
let's do it.
The first one's gonna be 43 1/4.
I'm going to go cut that.
Yep.
Let's
Let
go
me
cut.
visualize here the angles. Okay. All right, here we go. There's like 0 studs in here.
It's definitely one stud in here.
Haha. Okay, got it one piece. Yeah, this is no right. Just filled out with caulking.
Yeah, we just fill out with caulking.
All right, what did I do wrong? I just had to flip my jig this way, not this way. Okay, first try, just like that.
No, yeah. How do you feel about a popcorn snack?
I'm good with snacks.
Can't believe you'd betray me like that. How about you? Snack? Hmm? Did you just fart?
No.
What's that smell? Francine.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where the princess?
What is she doing?
Hunting. One of the cats is on the other side. Come on, let's crown. Turn that crown upside down.
You want to go inside and get a chicken? Heck yeah, I do.
Should be good though. Oh, good question. Why didn't I put a cut there like we did there? There's a different way to cut these called coping, so we're gonna cope one.
Coping is
Yeah.
what it's called?
Mhm.
What is happening?
We're coping.
It's like we're not coping well.
No, terrible blade.
We need a better coping mechanism.
Full of it today, aren't
That
you?
might keep going.
Clamp. Slowly, I'm gonna have the entire shed tools all out here. Oh no, that's not gonna work. Okay, take 2. Tool. What kind of tool do you think I am?
It's a great
In need
question.
of.
Oh.
Okay, that's as good as it gets here. That's a pain.
It's a lot of trouble coping.
I'm not doing this again. Scope stuff.
Terrible coping skills.
Oh yeah. I wonder how many of those jokes are gonna stay in the video. She made no less than 30 so far. If you see me less than entertained, you know why. Oh, that cut was hard, but at least it looked like crap.
Oh, good.
And now we have to measure to that corner. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
54 5/8. $82 5/16. I'm gonna wait till I have this one and then tweak.
It's a big gap, though.
No,
Oh, it's just because it's not pushed to the wall.
Come on now. Grab there, grab here. Little marks on the wall. Put some glue on.
Beautiful song.
Thank you. No more to go.
3.
Well, this is 3.
2 more after this one.
Yeah, come on, girl. Gotta keep your crown half full, you know? Hey, I left it outside. You gotta be kidding me. I always keep such good track of my stuff. Alright. That is a job complete. I can't believe we did the whole thing in a day.
You said we were gonna do the whole thing in a day.
I know, but you know how it gets once you start. Maybe I want to sleep instead.
You sleep when you die.
You're too close. So we cocked it.
Everybody knows it looks way better when it's cocked.
You have been crowned.
About time. Today we're gonna start to try to figure out where we're gonna put the picture frame molding. We'll time lapse this whole
Process. See, I contributed. All right, let's do it. We measured out where these squares are gonna go. These pieces are all the same sizes. So I'm just gonna go batch cut a bunch of them. Stay tuned.
We're going to use the Dovo 3D laser level to attach these trim pieces with maximum accuracy.
Unboxing new tools, it's fun times.
Thank you, Dovo, for sending us this laser level and for sponsoring today's video.
Look at this unit. Wow.
Matches your hat.
Wow. Look, I'm in the future.
We put them on the guys.
Wow. Okay, so what do we have here? Here's some charging items, a remote control, target practice. This is if you're leveling the yard, you put this thing wherever, and then you put this on a stick. And the best part, stay tuned because we give one of these away to you guys.
If you want a chance to win, make sure to comment below.
Comment Dovo. And, you know, if you're already going to comment, give us feedback as well. But make sure you add Dovo to your comment if you're interested in entering this giveaway. See if the battery's charged. Wow.
It's like the Matrix in there.
So they talk about how visible the lines are.
Super
Here to tell you.
visible. Oh my goodness.
They're not kidding. All right, I think I'm going to take this. This is the middle big guy here. Transfer the center down.
Is that the nail gun?
That's the nail gun. Hey, bumping.
I'm not bumping.
I felt it. Go over here.
What?
I need you to work.
Oh.
I need to draw a straight line. I think if I just do this, throw a guy here. Whoa. And then I can work my way. So we found a stud there. This is the center line. There's got to be one in betwixt here. If this is 32. No. Look, there's a stud here. One here. That's probably because this one, I don't know. I don't know anything anymore. Go over there. It's gonna be a lot of holding the other end today. It looks like the same day, but this is a new tool belt and $250 tool later. 18 gauge was too much. It was blowing out the string. So I bought a 23 gauge. All right, get some of these guys.
Do you want me to hold anything?
Not the little ones, to the big ones, yeah. Grab one of these. Place that one right here. And then get it kind of close to that one too. But this is what I'm concerned about. You're not going to get both ends. Just this one and that one. Just kind of,
Oof.
babe.
I heard you. What do you think I'm doing?
Not holding this end.
Well,
yeah, there you go. There you go.
Anything about that?
Shh.
So we got our first full wall completed. Now we're gonna take this mirror off, right? You're taking it off.
84 1/4. And then I'm going to use the laser to bring that line across.
Are those glasses? They're cool glasses.
All right, go over there and tell me when I'm there. Your cool glasses.
The bottom of that line?
Mm-hmm.
Up more.
What? Butt looking nice.
Just realized I was bending over.
Good.
Yeah. I don't know if we talked about this one, but we're gonna make it look like the trim is a little bit higher than what it is.
That one I just cut so that it ends on a stud.
Oh, nice.
What's up? Just put some boxes on here. What are your questions? Just watching me.
I feel like you need a small one for that wall.
No, that's for the ups downs.
You need a big one for the ups downs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Damn, the spaceport behind our bed is very dusty.
Last time it was clean when we painted, September 2020.
Shh, people are listening. Do you guys clean the baseboards behind your bed?
We do every week.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be tomorrow.
Oh, I like pushed it away.
Same thing. We just did 58 times.
Shut up.
Okay, now that we've done most of the room, I've got some pro tips. I cut them all using templates so they're the exact same size. And then we drew the squares here. I'm gonna nail this bottom one even with the line so that I have a reference point. This one is level. Now I'm gonna do one side using the same method. So I'm just gonna put 2 bang bangs here to hold it up on the wall. I just want to double check everything every time I do it. Put the level up against this feller here. See how it's got the bow right here? So I'm sandwiching it against the level. So when I put it up on the wall, it's dead straight. I'll just put a couple for now so I can move the level out of the way. And then I'll just do a few more. The last 2 on the bottom here, match the corner. I'm gonna do 2 because I've done 1 and it's not enough to hold. Now this guy's loose here. This one's set. I'm gonna match these angles right there. And I'm just gonna pin this side. Now here, I have flexibility to move it around. I'm just gonna pin the corners again. And then from this point forward, I'm gonna use the level just like I did this. I'm not leveling it, it is what it is at this point. Ideally level, but do the sandwich thing again to make sure that this board is straight up and down. Done.
And I don't know what it is, but these little ones, they look so good.
We didn't even want to do little ones, we were gonna skip them.
This whole area, oh, it's just so good.
All right, let's do that hallway and be done with this.
Here, and then above the doors. But we're wondering if we do little tiny baby ones here.
But it would just be that one, right? It's just not enough.
I'm not against.
Dude, it'd be like this.
Oh, I know. I've already done it in my hand.
Look at this. We're not doing this, so
We might.
get that out of your head.
We might, guys.
100% not.
We might.
0.
We might.
Let's do it.
Last night we ran out of trim to finish this little hallway. I'm going to get started on caulking the seams and filling in the nail holes. All of the seams have been caulked, all the nail holes have been puttied, and we're kind of doing things in a crazy order because Wender is working. Wender still needs to add molding to these walls, and we're going to end up spraying everything, but I'm going to paint the doors and let them dry so that we can use them. I'm also super excited to just get this paint on. I want to see it. I realized that it's way too hard to paint these bifold doors without taking them off, so Wender's gonna take them off for me. Speaking of Wender, he actually got home early today. He's in the shed cutting the trim to finish up this area.
Look at this thing.
It's so tiny.
This should be the end.
All right, the room's all ready to go.
All right.
You ready to paint?
I'm not painting. You're painting.
You're painting.
Okay, you're painting too.
All right, I'll help.
All right, let's do it.
We're ready.
All right, let me go to work.
All right, let's get to work. Thanks again to today's sponsor, Dovo. We're including a link to their Amazon page and website in the description below, and we are also including a discount code. Don't forget to like this video and comment Dovo below for your chance to win their 3D laser level. We will be announcing the winner on Instagram in a couple of weeks, so make sure you're following us. We will include our Instagram QR code on the screen. Next time on the bedroom build, we're gonna build some nightstands.
I made some mistakes. I think I'm ready to cut this first side. I'm nervous. I measured everything wrong. That didn't fit at all. This is how big you want this thing to be.
The normal size nightstand.
It's like a dining table. Put it in my drill. I'm gonna zip tie it. You ready? Once I do, I can't get her off. Ready? I'm gonna do it.
Even when you tell me that I'm gonna help you,
Move that
you make it impossible.
Move that out of the way. Oh my God!
How tricky can a top be?
Everything's tricky for me. It'll be fun.
It'll be so much fun to watch Wender struggle.
I think.
Ow.
Sorry.
No, you need your microphone. I know, Francine, your fart.
Oh my God. Farts rise too.
Damn, that is stinky. I don't know if any of this will be in the video because they all look like crap.
This paint got in it.
Get those all facing horizontally the same. I want to be embarrassed.
People coming in here and being like, oh my goodness. Got these things at all kinds of degrees here, guy.